How's it going, people? Um, yeah, Arsenal won, Man United won. It went to extra time, and it went to penalties, and Manchester United won on penalties 5-3. Um, I'm absolutely gutted. I am. I'm absolutely gutted. Um, because this is the type of cup that I would love to not just have a run in, but eventually to go on to win it. I want us to extend our total cups because, you know, we're on 14 and Man United on 13. And I just don't like the fact that we have now been knocked out of the cup and they can go on to win that trophy now. And equal of us. Um, where do I start with this game? I mean, you know, not just for the fact that we played, you know, like we are struggling like in terms of attacking play because honestly, like this goalkeeper, fair enough to him, fair play to the geezer, yeah, but nah, at times we did not lay a glove on that. Fair enough, Delit, Maguire, they were fantastic, but again, we don't need to go in the transfer market to get a number 9, do we? We don't need to go in the transfer window to get another body out wide. Preferably Saka's replacement. This is what you get. This is what you get when you have this small squad. It would have been better if we had more options like an A.K.A, Smith Rowe, and Reece Nelson today. Even Fabio Vieira at times. Possibly. I'll tell you this now, what we did in the summer it's come to bite us. It's come to cost us. Okay? And best you believe we're not winning a trophy. Best you believe. Just because we're out of this cup. Bigger fish to fry. Do me a favour. We're not playing well. We're not playing well to catch up to Liverpool. No, it's not happening, guys. I'm sorry. But it's not happening. It's just not happening. We haven't got a squad now to do it. And we're just not playing well enough to even do it anyway. So, season's done, I suppose. But let me talk about the game. Let me preferably talk about number 29 himself. Kai Havertz, A.K.A Bambi. Okay? I'm not going to ridicule the guy. Alright? But we're not going to win the league just with him. We're just not. I'm sorry, all you fantasizers about Kai Havertz being the man. I'm sorry. It's just not that guy. He's just not that guy. How many sitters does he miss today? He missed 2, didn't he? I mean, it's just not good enough. Highest paid player at the club. One of the most expensive transfers. And he's producing that. And the penalty, well, that just tops it off for me. Him missing that. It just tops it off. And we need a striker. We need another winger. Like, this team needs signings. It needs signings. Otherwise, we're going to have another season of trophyless. We'll have another trophyless season. And it's just ridiculous. Spending so much money and win first 5 people. Trust the process. I'm sorry, it's over. Mikel Arteta, it's over, mate. I'm sorry. You can finish the season off for me, fair enough, but another crack at it next season, another summer window. Nah, not for me, mate. Not for me. I'm sorry. Can't deal with this. Can't deal with this. We should be winning a league. We should be eventually winning a league. Sorry. It's over. It's actually over. And I've got to talk about other players that played today. And, you know, it's just Martinelli, man. Like, let's have a conversation about this guy. Like, he is really hot and cold in there, that guy. Hot and cold. Like, 1 minute you love him, next minute you can't stand him. Um, to be honest with you, lads, like as a winger, I never really see him as a winger. I see him more of a striker. But yeah, it's just I just don't know what to say, man. Like, he has fallen off a cliff. Like, I just don't know. And then Odegaard, again, why is he not shooting? Why is he not taking more shots? You're number 10, mate. Fair enough, you're trying to create, alright. But there are times when you see a gap, gotta take it. You just gotta take it. You don't take it enough. And there's certain passes you do. There's certain passes you do that are basically, you know, is going to get to the player. Why not take a bit more risk in your play? What else can I talk about? There's not really much to talk about, really, because, you know, they're all playing at the standards that they can play with this manager. Like, there's only so much you can go with a manager. I think this is one of them. This, you know, you can't go from practically 5 years in and you don't win the league. It just doesn't make any sense for me. I mean, theoretically, we could still win the league, but I want you guys to, you know, put your comments in. Are we going to win the league? I'm sorry. Oh, state we are going to win the league or not going to the league, and I want you to give your reasons why. Because I can't see us putting a putting a run of games consistently to keep on top behind Liverpool. I just can't see it. And injuries as well. It seems to be, you know, every game. This game, Jesus coming off with an injury. Newcastle game. Who came off with injury? I can't even remember. And yeah, it's just a shame. It's just a real shame. In Champions League, well, we can literally not, we can forget about that. We can forget about the Champions League because it takes more than just being a set piece team to win the Champions League. So yeah, um, I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say because I'm just gutted right now. The way this season, like all season, like I just felt like we're just not at it. I just felt something. I felt something so wrong of that transfer window to say it's another waste. It's another waste of a season, and it's looking like it's going to end up being like that. But anyway, guys, let me let me know your thoughts and feelings about this game and for the rest of the season because I just don't know. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you later.